Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply for a business e-visa to Romania. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened official Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Romania. So here I have an option, apply for a visa. So I click on apply. So first, terms, condition, and what are the things they expect you, document type and all. So once you are okay with all of this, there's a checkbox, you can check, and then you can click on next. Then here you need to provide email address, password that you're gonna use, and this captcha. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna click on next. All right. So once you do that, you get a file number on the email, and that you need to enter, and also the password that you did in the previous screen, and this captcha. So I'm going to do that. Now you need to put your nationality. So I'm entering sample, but you need to do as per your situation, not what you see here. These are very basic questions: your nationality, country of residence. Maybe I did not put here. Okay, so I selected these sample. Now it's up to, like, if your travel document is biometric, select yes. If no, select no, and click on next. Now you're going to select the type of visa. So we are doing it for business visa, right? So we'll select business visa, and I click on next. Now do you find yourself in this situation? So it's about the visa that you currently hold, okay, and also family member. If you are a family member of a citizen of European Union, anything. If you don't find yourself in this situation, select this, but read it carefully, because that may help you avoiding some of the steps. Required documents: invitation approved by, accommodation, travel ticket, visa, travel, valid travel document, photograph, vehicles, invitation from a Romanian company. So you need to upload all of these, okay? And if you are not clear, you can go to the information icon and find more about it. If you want to upload more document, you can click on upload. But I'm gonna skipping all of this, because this is just a sample video. So here also, like, you need to read this carefully if any of these conditions apply to you. I click no, but you can read and understand. Now personal data of the applicant: surname, first name, date of birth, country, place of residence, nationality, nationality of birth, marital status, phone number. I will be skipping these details because these are not mandatory, but when you fill, you fill all. Why to hide it, right? So I'm gonna fill, and I'm gonna click on next. All right, I entered some information, sample information, guys. So you can see these are very basic questions, so I click on next. Travel document, so in this case ordinary passport that we had selected. So very simple questions. Current occupation, other occupation. This section is for students. So I'm gonna skip all the mandatory fields, but if you have anything applicable, don't skip it. These are all the sample. This you can find it in your passport itself: issuing authority, date of issue, date of expiry. Okay. Typically Indian passport valid for 10 years, right? So I click on next. I'm skipping those sections, but you should provide number of requested entries, I select multiple, but do it as per your case. In duration of stay, I select 25. Number of days. Previous stay in Romania, if there's anything, provide that information. Date of arrival, date of departure. So I give like April 1st, April 26th. Member state of first entry. Planned route. So provide detailed information. I'm just gonna do this. Don't do this in your actual application. Contact person from Romania. Provide information because he or she may be contacted. Support, means of support, whatever you are carrying for yourself. Family information. I'm skipping the whole section, but you should provide the information. Why would you hide it? Rated the host where you're gonna stay. Type of host. So hotel name I put just sample, guys, and I click on next. Applicant home address, your address, and in the next section it's gonna ask you to verify uh, all the details. Please. So if I send the file, it will be sent. So definitely I'm not gonna do that. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.